You're looking for the nautical feel, sure has it. You're surrounded by 360 degrees of water. Yo, if you're a beach person, like, this is fire. Today, we saw one of the more unique properties I've ever actually been in here in the state of Rhode Island. When you drive in, you drive on the beach sand. As you walk up to the property, you're surrounded by 360 degrees of water, of fresh air, and of beach sand. That's a property where I can see a family going, paying $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 a week with multiple families in there, and just being able to have dinner outside as you look on the beach, being able to walk outside and walk to the water. Here we go. This is a very, very unique opportunity, guys. Look at, no joke. Here is the property. Off-market deal, huge house, new roof. Here is the water. You want solitude? This is it. So you saw the outside. Now here we go. We are in the inside of this property. You've got wide plank floors, propane stove. Everything has been completely updated. This thing fits the bill. Wow, this is nice. You look outside, there's the water. Honestly, everything is in good condition. And you're looking for the nautical feel, sure has it. One of our investors brought us this one to sell to someone looking to do either a 1031 or looking to get some solid Airbnb action going on. Yo, if you're a beach person, like, this is fire. They're calling me because the person that's going to buy it is looking at this from two perspectives. Number one, they're saying, I may use this property 1, 2, 3 weeks out of the summer. And number two, how can I maximize my investment and my ROI? And the way you do that is by getting in front of the right people and doing the calculations to determine your net operating income and then your cap rate on top of that. It's a function of having an agent that understands the investment environment. We'll probably sell that thing before it even hits the market. Amazing, amazing views, amazing layout, and amazing location. I couldn't be more excited to be part of, and ultimately epitomizes everything Rhode Island has to offer.